I'm deleting video. Delete. But there's some video that I should have, that I took for a reason. My friend said, Mo, you can't leave Texas without going to West Texas, Terlingua. So they offered to take me because they've been going for 30 years, you know. I met them at the side of the highway and followed them in through this terrain here. This is the footage here. It looks like something you'd see in the Roadrunner cartoons. So anyway, I was very excited because I'd heard about Terlingua. I knew about Terlingua and the great little town it was, and so I was thinking, what is this, the back roads? Why? There's no traffic. How could there be a town at the end of this? How could there be a town here that we are heading towards? So I was assuming that I was getting the back way, and yeah. And I was thinking, around this bend, around that bend, just over this hill. Oh, look at that moon, that's lovely. It was a surprise. Yeah. That's it? No, can't be. No, don't go in. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is... Good night. Good morning.
He was sensing what was going on. Oh,
Yeah. What was your coffee?
it scared him. He didn't know what, he didn't understand it.
I didn't put anything in it.